Hey guys, it's me, Ryan, making a video, mods, all that. Today I'm going to be showcasing you superheres mod. I actually love this mod. It's one of my favorite mods I have in the series. And trust me, there's AntMan in it, and you can actually shrink. So I'm going to show you that, and everything else with it. So let's go into here. And there's a bunch of stuff. So, like, you see, let's get zoom. Let's get reverse flash. And let's get the AntMan helmet. This is when things get super cool. So let's put on this armor. And this is what I look like. You guys, so you really want to know something? Press in, and I'm a little ant, baby. Walking on the street every day. 'Cause I'm a little ant. And yes, I'm tiny. Now, if you do keep it on for a while, you'll die. If you're in creative mode, then you'll be in an unknown place for like a while. So yeah, that's that. Now, I'm going to show you zoom. Now, zoom is probably one of my favorites. But before we do that, let's check out reverse flash. Look at... Guys, reverse flash is like the creepiest because his body moves and his eyes are like weird. Of course, he can go fast. If you press in, he's super fast. It's kind of laggy because of how fast he is. And then if you press, let's say that, let's get out of here real quick. Let's say that, oh my gosh, this is so hard. Let's say that you want to go in slow motion. So, you press M, and then, you ready guys? I'm in slow motion. Then you can press M with it, and then you're fast in the slow motion. That cool? Now the fastest one is zoom, of course, because you guys know he looks epic. He looks epic. I think he's the coolest. Now let's put this up. I want to show you something, guys, because there is like what you'd say Captain America, Deadpool. There's even Iron Man. Let's check out Iron Man, guys. I've already done that. I've already known this, but let's check out Iron Man. Oh yeah. You guys might think I'm a normal person, but guess what? You ready? John. You ready? Even faster! So yeah, that's one of Iron Man's capabilities. Let's say that you want to shoot somebody. Hold in and press right click. Hey guys, put your hands in the air. So let's try this out. And shoot this chicken right here. Insta kill. Now, let's say you press J. If you press J, it's like that. He follows you. Ready? On. See? But it's you wanna go in him. Hold the right click and walk in him. It's that cool, guys. Now, my favorite, of course, is going to be obvious. It's Batman. If you guys are who like Iron Man and all that and Ant-Man, well, Batman's my favorite. Batman has always been my favorite. no matter what. So we got Batman. Now, Batman's kind of an interesting one. Because there's all these weapons, huh? Well, these weapons only work for certain ones. Let's get the display case. Because this is not cool. So, let's put on the armor. Hey guys, I'm Batman. So now, here's the capabilities that Batman can do. Batman can shoot you, he can punch you, and then he can do this. Ready? Wait, hold on. Wait. You don't see it, but if you guys look on my screen, watch this. I'm throwing batarangs. Now, Batman can't fly, I'm just in creative. Look at those, look at that batarang. Now, he has more modes than batarangs. He has ice mode, and he has smoke mode, smoke grenades. And then, of course, your favorite, he has a grappling hook. Ready? Woo! Now, something you guys probably didn't know about Batman. If you hold this, and press that, look, I'm gliding, baby. And if you press, and yeah, he can glide. You know what the coolest thing is? Batman. This Batman. Hold on. This Batman can actually do something cool. So, let's say that you're right here. And you drop, you're like, hey, I need to get over there faster. Boom. It's really cool. You just get up there. So yeah. Let's say I don't want my suit anymore. And you don't have to just click this and put your, hold on. Let's say like you want to put your suit on this armor stand. You don't just have to click it and put the stuff in there. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is hold shift and press right click. Boom. It's in there. And if you want it to be secret, boom. Display case. Now, there is other flashes. There is there's a lot of them. Like Captain America. He gets a Captain America shield and stuff. Let's try out these, things. So, smoke bomb, explosive pufferfish, phantom arrow, vibranium, tripped arrow. Now, these are a cool one because you actually can shoot these. Now, of course, I can't shoot these because you have to be Green Arrow or something. So let's just throw out Batman. Right there. Let's go into here. Get Green Arrow set. And guys, we're going to have to end the video in here a minute. So just hold on your butts. And press this. Look. Ready? Why can't I do it? Specialty difficulties. Be back, guys. I have to find out how to do this. I don't think I did it right. Yeah. Guys, I just noticed something. This. So you're supposed to put these in here. And once you put them in there, I'm pretty sure yeah. So now we have that. It's like you, want, what do you say, let's say that you're Green Arrow and you wanna shoot someone, okay? So you take out your bow, and this is the vine bow. That's like a grappling hook, Yeah, you like that? Now, this mode that you're about to see is the triple arrow, and it shoots 3 arrows at the same time. And then you come to here, and if you check out, one of my most favorite arrows is probably the vine, but check out this arrow. Ready? Ooh, fire charge. So yeah, that's cool, and it's about close to ending it. So we have like this arrow, and we have grappling hook arrow, which I don't know why we need that, because we already have a grappling hook arrow, but let's say pufferfish explode. So let's go into here, let's throw these out, let's put in a new set of them. Okay? Now, check this out. So if you do this is called the TNT one. You shoot this, of course, it doesn't explode the ground, and then go right here, and this is when things get fun. They have the explosive pufferfish mode, and this thing shoots pufferfish. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, I don't know why there's a grappling hook, because they have the vine that's a grappling hook, but the same. So, yeah. We're about to end the video here, but let me show you something real quick. Become Martian Man. Because I know some of you guys out there want to see Martian Man, because he actually probably one of the coolest ones you would ever want if you were in survival. And I gotta tell you something cool about Martian Man. So, of course, everybody knows Martian Man has an ability, and if you press... Yep, I'm in that. So, yeah. So, L is for ghost mode, where you can just basically go in anything. And then, you guys know, of course, that's not his main ability. Choose disguise. Let's do creeper. And what's cool about him, what I said about why it's cool to have him, well, sometimes it actually turns you into a creeper, and the creepers won't attack you. It's really cool. Of course, this looks dumb, so I have to go rush. You guys know, I love Zoom Zoom. He's one of my favorite characters, and yeah. So, if you guys don't know, something about something. So, guys, my last video, I'm sorry that I'm kind of a noob. I used to have a YouTube account, but I don't know what happened to it. I forgot the password. And, of course, I do play I play Roblox. You guys saw those videos and all that. I like Dragon Ball Z. Don't make fun of me. I like painting and all that in real life. I love art. It's my favorite. And yeah, and I love gun game. I love pretty much everything. But you guys know what? I'm gonna have to end it off here, so please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications, and yeah. And just in case, if you guys like this video, please like it. If we can get to 100 subscribers, I'll give out a Robux give out, and I'll give out free Robux. I'll give out Hypixel MVP plus, where you can basically just disguise yourself, it's like YouTube rank and all that. And yes, and tell me what mod you want me to do next, guys. And I guess I would say, see